What connotes a simulation? We exist in multiple levels of reality. We exist in multiple levels of reality. Elon Musk thinks it's good that we're in a simulation. Elon Musk thinks it's good that we're in a simulation. The universe already acts like a computer program. The universe already acts like a computer program. Once we map the human brain, we can reproduce it. Once we map the human brain, we can reproduce it. Elon Musk isn't the first person to come to this conclusion. While Musk may have received the bulk of the press in 2016 when he made his claim about the hologram world, there have been philosophers, scientists, and big thinkers before him who have come to this conclusion. 17th century philosopher René Descartes referred to the hologram world as the evil genius. He philosophized that the heavens, the earth, colors, figures, sound, and all other external things are not but the illusions and dreams of which this genius has availed himself in order to lay traps for my credulity. More recently, Swedish philosopher Nick Bostrom hypothesized that humans are either living in a computer simulation being run by advanced posthumans, or that we are not actually in a computer simulation, and that humans will die out before we get a chance to reach this posthuman state. Also see The Matrix. Musk cites Pong to illustrate how quickly simulations have advanced. It may seem odd for a futurist like Elon Musk to reference a game as dated as Pong as an example for why we are living in a hologram, but to the tech billionaire it makes perfect sense. He said, "The strongest argument for us being in a simulation, probably being in a simulation, is the following. 40 years ago, we had Pong, 2 rectangles, and a dot. Now, 40 years later, we have photorealistic 3D simulations with millions of people playing simultaneously, and it's getting better every year." Musk is essentially referring to a simplified version of Moore's law, which states that all technological change occurs at an exponential rate, and that up until recently, computer processor speed was doubling every 18 months. Silicon Valley is attempting to speed up this exponential growth because of the way that our relationship to technology is changing, which does give Musk's theory that we are going to create a computer so powerful that it can create a livable world some merit. Augmented reality will soon be indistinguishable from base reality. The linchpin of Musk's theory is the augmented reality technology that's been edging its way into video games and a hodgepodge of passive entertainment for the last few years. He believes that at some point in the near future this technology is going to improve until it's fully immersive. At the Code conference in California in 2016, Musk told his audience, "If you assume any rate of improvement at all, then the games will become indistinguishable from reality. Even if that rate of advancement drops by 1,000 from what it is now. Then you just say, okay, let's imagine it's 10,000 years in the future, which is nothing on the evolutionary scale."
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.